3DW are specialist developers of interactive 3D visualizations, specifically to support major energy infrastructure projects. So most of the work that we're doing involves onshore and offshore wind farm work, and we're creating interactive 3D tools which enable people to better understand how a design proposal is going to work and look within an existing 3D environment. We've built our reputation over 20 years for not only the quality of our work and the innovation which we're bringing to these applications, but also the quality of the customer service, the way we interact with our customers and the way that we support them in using these tools to get the most value out of them throughout as much of the project lifespan as possible. So having worked now on over 120 projects across Europe, which have all been very, very successful for our clients, we are really keen to take our skills, our experience and our expertise and offer it to the exciting new market emerging over in the US. So we have developed projects for virtually all of the major offshore UK schemes over the last 4 or 5 years. What we're bringing to these projects is this interactive elements, the way that you can navigate freely around a 3D space in a way that you cannot do with a simple video fly-through. And it's this ability to communicate views and design options from different locations at will, which give us a really dynamic solution to this type of project. The work that we've been doing in the US is our first couple of projects, an onshore project in Ohio, and we've also been working on an offshore wind farm project in the waters of Massachusetts.
Our models are highly interactive, very easy to use. They give a good and accurate representation of our clients' plans, and at the press of a button, all of the options are easy to show. Specifically for offshore wind projects, we're able to show variations in the turbine layouts, the landfall options, and the cable routes to join the national grid. So the process starts with data acquisition. That will include looking at aerial photography, any plans of the area that we're going to build. We work out with the client the important areas. Once we've acquired all the data, we then start to put that together, so overlaying the terrain data with the aerial imagery, focusing in on the key areas. Every project is unique and presents its own challenges. This means that each model we build is tailor-made to our client's specific needs.
So our 3D models are fully interactive, which makes them different from, say, a video fly-through or photo montage, because it allows you to take the person to anywhere in the virtual environment that they'd like to be. We use these 3D models in the design, planning and consultation phases of a project. We can take these to the general public so they have a better understanding of what the scheme's going to look like, specifically maybe from the house or a key area. We can also take them to stakeholder engagement meetings to show local politicians, councillors, what the scheme's going to look like, so then they can go back to the public and help them as well and have a better understanding of what the scheme's going to look like. We take the 3D models that we've already developed for energy companies and use them to create exciting, engaging learning materials that we can take into schools as part of their engagement programmes.
We believe that 3DW are uniquely positioned to bring our skills and expertise that we've developed across Europe and to offer them to you in the new US market.